Ghanaian youth any public sector workers are mu trying yasum wo media no so no ye ma mo warning munye din enya mu na mo se eyezu eyeza ejobodo enya mu na mo se Mahama is the hope afei hope no amama da ni hopeless a mu trying yasum wo media no so mo se adeta Mahama ebeto ne presidential staffers mu omo pay mu 67%. Any MMDCs mu pay mu 67%. Normal public sector workers 9%. Mu nye hu hwe. Abra Akufo-Addo emma mu 30%. Don't so tin edwuma efo aketu ya so. No, mo se wa anya hwe. Wo kai ana won kai. Wo de kono ko hwe Abra Akufo-Addo emma mu 30%. Esan so ti edwuma efo aketu ya so. Hwe video no bra.
Ghana for me chobibia semo mu sa papa yi. Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo enye nwanwa say after 80 something years odaso namu a onkuta poma won yare onye hwe adwin papa wo sa papa wetrim no enso Ghana fo hu di na tem hwe na boso na Ghana journalist fo nyame tuo betua moka no ensem a moka fa papa we hu a enye nokre udeti.
We've also decided to continue with the policy of 30% cut in the salaries of political office holders, including the president, the vice president, ministers, deputy ministers, MMDCs, and SOE appointees in 2023, just as we will continue with the 30% cut in discretionary expenditures of ministries, departments, and agencies.
The OTCCA 2023, Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo, one of the COVID addresses na normal. Are all cutting the pay of Onoankasane the vice president, the appointees, MMDCs, CEOs, near the adina or cut your pay so by 30%. At that same time, none or tea or no pay so on Fakaprenka home or teso by 30% no. Now or increase Ghana Juma year 4 year by about 30%. That 2023, so 25%. Or increase workers' salary by 25%. Now or take or only there so by 30%. Fast forward, even 2024 before see Ekotwabano, or more to a Jumayefwake by 30%. Now or no dear no or da so tiso by 30%. Many madafu back no a DC. Now or G5,000 a month. Ye can't win ni. This is for amani umuhunu wo sa aban no mu omo common fund so na atohye aye ne to say you know atana so ewo this assembly common fund no the year contract ma NDC for amani umuhunu na nado eti ono ankasa na dwumayefo ono na dwumayefo ne vice president obi aketua so by 30% no na oto Ghana dwumayefo dim by 25%, 23% and 30%. And the day ni ehuni John Dramani Mahama any NDC for to one kasi omakatua 67%. Akotio two more mudi to one kasa omudi no or no president in a juma ye phone in appointees ye to omakatua 67%. Na wo Ghana ni kwasia abojimini bunia ye fo a wo hwe nyame anim koto abati a MPP no ye mo 9%. O kina wi ade wepini ho kwasia bo video no so no bi nya bi hwe na mo jimi kura
so afei mo se den afei mo se den mo se ye nya mo den me akwebe ya video bi a chese ne buofu Rasta man bi NDC ni guy o ye campaign me NDC ne buofu no gidigidi say this government no ye wiki den mo nya hwe de hwa asem ti asem o kan ti asem o kan ti
nkwasi asem kakraka ti sesei ono aban na oba be 7 yen kromafo no ono ato ne pay mu getting to 70%. Omo be sum yen no ye huri omo pay omo increase omo pay next year omo pay no ya tum 70%. Na aban adwumayefo nurse fo teacher fo omo wo ho no ma yeso omo ye adwuma omo pay ne de 9%. Na mo ba be se atwam agu no mo amu besia ko wu no Mahama mo na hwan for ne ya se budget ne ya den ya tumu aban omo MPs no MPP ni NDC for no obian kan hwe o presidential staffs no ministers ne hwan MPs no ya tumu almost 67 to 70%. Now, not like ordinary workers no mo tie adwuma nim na de bi omo tie ho no omo de bi omo ye adwuma no omo ne ya tumu 9%, less than 10%. And do 40-50% o. Mame nurse, mame doctor, teacher ni na o she nwure mu ware no. But presidential staffs no omo prapra Jubilee House edi yamomo ye kan say diplomatical passport ne yeso omo nkonkwohwe say den na ekos no omo ya to omo pay mu omo chena for next 4 years omo nya bi mo di so no omo ba be omo de yen yesika omo de yen Ghana yesika no ayo omo so mfa so ejapade nti yetoto mu no omo de 60 to 70% o increasement o basu ntele mu nyina omo nyina o yatoto obi apay mu asi edun ketie mu nyina o na Ghana fo na yen timamufo no yen GP ye omo so omo bekwa yaresabia na omo behwe yen so no omo yen tu omo pay mu ye teacher fo no so omo bekọ ye be kire omo ade no yen tu omo pay mu ye ai emfa o said mo ye no yen tena se mhwe mu ani han sa o aban no yen pene so obema wo ho increment 65 almost 70% na Ghana timamufo no bia NGP gold board den sika ni na ebu no mo di sika ni nyina ba betua mo ho ka ba Ghana no mo nya road bia ma yen 9 months pena ba ye no manya increasement ba mo nya road bia nya kwan bia nya bibia mo nya bibia e betumi di ensa som obi na de 5 billion pew aye biggest dam in the whole world. Moma buy no sika masen within this year 7 January bepem November ending year komi sika masen no obia ebetumi achechiri wi ase but munye mu bia o but moma increase mu pay munye adwuma ba munye adwuma bi o ma increase mu pay teacher fo nso amonto mu pay mu ede enkwasea mambo ne yete wa yede ni tonhwe mo sanhweni a eni bon no ai emfa o said ya mo chechire ba no
se yetufo na se wenti a sa na yew. We live in a country citizens of more country ni no maso ye din nti o ka se mpo chire they don't even understand. She say every budget na youth am work money more unemployment rate e kosoro useless youth mo te TikTok and am te that lumba brabo mo awale mo sem. How is that going to add something to your life? I don't understand you people. Obi awale mo sem, how does that add value to your life? Bro, you people are not serious, you too. Because my class here was na mo youth no den hamo. You read the budget name no. Won fa bin kinkan nhwe say wo youth anything mamuni a wo man name no. Then na government no what the man. Our baba ye dia bo public sector worker. Wo wa nursing training na wi out fie. Graduate wo wi school out fie na adwuma nye. Our baba budget ni bia no hu ne ma wo mu no. Beko life and 5,000 6,000 7,000 amu life so then no mu discuss here that the lumba abra bo munsem they no yes side check and a main check mu you serious? Like, you people, are you serious? 21st century, the youth of the country ade ahuhiam eye obi awa wiemu nsem obi a ono abebo ne bra abobrama ne busuafo a ni nwane mu na egu abrochire ne mba wa abrochire esiti fie aye japade ono na bra bomu nsem ne hiam ana makota na TikTok amotie wa bra mo government ote so every budget in 4 days budget ne pomo kan hu niam ewom ehu ni da so very very sad. Say you want this kind of youth in this country. These people will finish wasting their data on those life. No more about catch there say data boy now come mining why what are you doing for yourself? You wasting your time on those live no. You are expecting work to come from that side, eh? Charlie, people should reason up. Charlie, 2025 na yo. Next month, equal to 26. Next month, independent equal to 26. And the youth, the obi our nsem. How does that concern you? And no, does it put food on your table? Next year we school I am for adwuma mu. Teacher na we school I am for adwuma mu no. Uko tell that lumba. Na wawu no. Na bra bo mu nsem a. And no ba mo aduane adia na ebetua actually the youth are cooked. I swear. Unnecessary things and I'm pay attention to. The more to the government and the politicians, they don't move here. Because someone said the youth are not serious. They're not serious in the country. And that's the reason why we are always complaining. Because Among will say, all you guys need, they say, we be who. The market say discussing about Bomunzem. Asa. Things that will benefit the country, benefit you as a citizen. No, you not see Ghanaians discussing it. No. Me who say about I won't have a political show. I'm talking about minor teach the yes and minor teach the any or minor and just a year quiet. They were bought me before that. I'm almost a nipper 1,000 in Asoda. October Cono. Now a month for the amount for them. Do you have one sem? But when it 6,000, 7,000 no guso, no muti. Those things that not add any value to your life, but they're muti. But the one that will add value to their life, the one that they queued to go and vote for.